Hello, all my dear friends. Very good evening to all of you. And yeah, who is there at the back? That's the full moon. Yes, let me see how I can show it to you. Okay, so another full moon cycle, and here is something interesting that I would like to share with you, friends. During the full moon, whatever you are hiding inside of you, it surfaces at the top. So whether it is a karmic pattern, an emotional frequency, any thought, any emotion that you have been hiding, it will surface out. So this results into conflicts, arguments. It could be pain, it could be panic attacks, it could be anxiety, and many other emotions. Yes, something that you have not healed through in this life, or something that you have been carrying from the previous lives, and if you have not healed through it, it will surface. So with each full moon cycle, do observe your patterns, your emotional patterns, your thought patterns, the conflicts that you go through on an everyday basis, especially during the full moon. You know that it's a full moon and things are going to amplify. That is why it is advised not to go near the beaches, yes, because of the high tides. Because what happens is it pulls the gravitational pull of the moon. It tries to pull things from the earth towards itself, and that is why the water in the ocean, it rises. So high waves, high tides. And because we know that just like 70% is water on the earth's surface, 3/4 of the human body is also water, correct? So when there is a high pull of the energy by the moon, your body, water and the liquids, yes, the blood, the lymph, whatever it is, the fluids, they also experience that heightened state. So heightened state of consciousness is also there, heightened state of emotions are also there. So whatever you have been holding, whatever you have been hiding, whatever you're trying to calm down through different things, it just tries to explode. It tries to come out. And this is the whole purpose, this is the whole mechanism of the universe, and this is the purpose of the full moon. This is the universe's special mechanism of clearing out the energy in the universe, right? Because in order to construct a new building, the old building has to be demolished, right? So when the world is changing for good, when we are entering into the golden era, this vicious cycle of the emotions, the old frequencies, the negative emotions, the lower frequency emotions, they all need to get clear. Okay, so it will come. Don't hide it out, face it, accept it, and change it. Yes, it is very important to change it. Do not hold on to the lower frequency emotions for a longer time, because if you do it, you will feel the pain, you will feel the damage, and the recovery will take time. So once you have realized it, as soon as you encounter it, it's okay. Immediately you cannot you know heal it or stop it, but as soon as you realize it, oh yes, I'm again in that pattern, I'm again stuck in that loop, break that cycle. Literally, yes, break that cycle with your consciousness. Move out of that room, break that pattern, that karma, the energy of the argument or the discussion with whom you were having. Move away from that soul with whom you were having this conflict or argument, who was giving you pain, or you felt like it was pain because you did not heal out of it. Yes, if you are a healed soul of you, or even in case if you are not a fully healed soul, you are on your healing journey, you are on your spiritual journey, and you are at a higher level from the other souls, you will experience these heightened states of arguments, conflicts. Okay, so this is for now. During the full moon, these emotions will come, but do not hold on to the lower frequency. Check the pattern and switch to the higher frequency. Like, make yourself happy, smile, talk to other people, call your friend, eat something nice, cook for yourself, come out in the nature, just like I am doing, and you do find me every full moon night. I make a video. This is one of the strategies shared by my coach, who does the same whenever he is no matter how low he feels, he is consistent in his goals, in shooting his videos, in completing his task, and this is one of the ways he heals himself. So I have also learned and adapted to this, and I share this with you, so you also do the same. God bless and happy full moon.